Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a powerful concept that can truly transform your life: manifestation. It's about understanding the incredible power you hold within your inner world. This inner power isn't just passive, it's an active force. It's the energy and focus you can use to shape your outer reality. Now, let's be clear from the start. Manifestation isn't some kind of magic trick. It's not about wishing for something and having it instantly appear out of thin air. Instead, think of it as a defined, deliberate process. It's a method you can learn and apply consistently. The core of this process involves aligning your inner elements. This means bringing your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs into harmony. When these inner forces are aligned, you create a powerful resonance. The ultimate goal is to align your entire being with the life you truly desire to live. So how do we begin this process? It starts with foundational techniques. The first and perhaps most fundamental is the power of visualization. Visualization is truly the foundation upon which manifestation is built. It's the act of creating a clear mental image of what you want. This means vividly picturing your desired outcome in your mind's eye. See it with as much detail as possible. This could be picturing yourself in a new career, experiencing a fulfilling relationship, or enjoying vibrant health. Whatever your desire, see it clearly. By visualizing, you are actively planting seeds of possibility in the fertile ground of your mind. You are showing your brain what is possible. Beyond just seeing, there is another crucial element: feeling. Tapping into the associated emotions is vital. It's not enough to just picture the outcome. You must experience the emotions as if that reality exists right now. Feel the feelings of having achieved your goal. Examples of these powerful emotions include joy, deep gratitude, peace, excitement, or profound satisfaction. Immerse yourself in these feelings. This emotional connection is what truly fuels the manifestation process. Emotion gives energy and life to your vision. How does this inner work translate into outer results? It involves the incredible power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is a powerhouse, the control center for your habits and deeply held beliefs. It operates below your conscious awareness. Crucially, the subconscious mind responds powerfully to feelings and emotions. It takes its cues from the emotional state you cultivate. When you consistently visualize and feel your desired reality, your subconscious subtly shifts its energy. It begins to orient itself towards that vision. It also subtly shifts your focus. You start noticing opportunities and information related to your desired outcome that you might have missed before. Most importantly, your subconscious subtly shifts your actions. It guides you towards behaviors that are in alignment with your vision, often without conscious effort. The ultimate goal of this inner work is alignment. It's about bringing your inner state into perfect harmony with the vision you have created. This alignment is the key that unlocks the door to manifestation. It's when your inner world matches your desired outer world. Manifestation is not a one-time event, it's a practice. Consistency and repetition play a vital role in solidifying your vision. When you consistently visualize and feel your desired reality, you send a powerful, repeated message to your brain. You reinforce the possibility. Through this repetition, your brain begins to accept this desired reality as something familiar. It starts to feel normal and achievable. This familiarity makes the desired outcome feel attainable to your brain. It moves from being a far-off dream to a potential future. From a neurological perspective, repetition strengthens the neural pathways associated with your vision. You are literally rewiring your brain. This strengthening makes your goals feel more real. They gain substance and weight in your mind. Consequently, your goals feel more achievable. The path forward seems clearer and less daunting. What happens as a result of this consistent inner work? Your behavior begins to change consequently. You start acting in ways that are more congruent with the person who already has your desired outcome. Your actions reflect your inner state. You become more open to opportunities that align with your vision. You recognize them when they appear. You also become more resilient to challenges and setbacks. Your inner conviction helps you navigate difficulties. As you align and act, you become more likely to attract the resources you need. This includes attracting the right people, inspiring ideas, and tangible resources. This process can be seen as a powerful manifestation cycle. It begins with seeing it, creating the clear vision. Then you feel it, immersing yourself in the emotions of having it. Next, you believe it, cultivating unwavering faith in its possibility. You repeat it, consistently practicing visualization and feeling. And finally, you live it, experiencing the reality you have created. Underpinning this entire process is the cultivation of a specific mindset. It's a mindset of possibility, one that believes in your ability to create. Manifestation is not passive waiting. It requires action. It involves taking inspired action that feels right and moves you towards your goal. This action flows naturally from your aligned inner state. It doesn't feel like a chore, but a natural step forward. Throughout this journey, trust is essential. Trust in the process itself, even when you don't see immediate results. Trust in your own inner power and ability to create. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Let's reiterate. Manifestation is not about passively waiting for things to happen to you. It is about actively shaping your reality from within. You are not a victim of circumstance. You are a powerful co-creator of your life. You hold the tools within you. By consistently applying these principles, you begin a profound transformation. You start becoming the person who naturally lives the dream life you envision. You step into your power and consciously create the future you desire. This is the incredible potential of manifestation.